everyone, welcome to Tech Surfers. So in this video I will show you how you can get your premium AI subscription absolutely free of cost. So get 1 year premium AI subscription absolutely free of cost. So to get this, follow the step-by-step tutorial. Firstly, you have to go to your browser and in the search research AI, and then you will get this link. So for now you have to click on this link, sign up here, click on Google, select one of your Gmail account, business account. So you can see this, I have successfully logged in with my Gmail account and it is showing it is free version. So how you can upgrade this version absolutely free of cost. So for now I am getting into dark mode, so click on this and you can see this, I have successfully dark mode of my screen. So as you can see this is showing free version. So how you can upgrade this? So to upgrade this you have to click on this, and here you have to write so apply this referral code in this here, click on apply and upgrade. So you can see this, your plan has been upgraded with Prime. You can see this here also is showing I have successfully getting into premium version. So now I can do whatever I can eat. So you can see this is Prime plan. So if I say hello, actually gets it. So you can also upload files, coding, web search and thinking. You can do whatever you can with this AI. You can also generate images from there. So much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.